Okey, saya rasa saya boleh sambung terus Okey, saya ada a few discussion saja dan a few subtopik dalam course ni, dalam presentation untuk kelas hari ni Okey, untuk discussion ni, okay, insight on the technology. Okay, this is happening right now. This is happening right now where people where people more using handheld devices such as smartphone instead of desktop or laptop. Okay, sebab mungkin convenience lah mungkin convenience and it's portable dan sebagainya. Kalau awak lihat kat sini, okay, discussion number one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of apps compared to the website for mobile user? Okay, you may listing what is advantage and disadvantage. Okay, yang ini mungkin saya akan bagikan form dan sebagainya, feedback daripada awak, ataupun mungkin awak boleh masukkan di dalam awak punya assignment dan sebagainya, tapi it's not required. Okay, awak fikirkanlah apa yang dikatakan advantage dan disadvantage ni. Kalau awak lihat sebenarnya user preference kalau tengok mobile users semakin meningkat dan desktop users yang using web browser semakin menurun. Sebab tu bila kita nak develop sesuatu menggunakan web based application okay, so you need to think how to develop with a responsive design, whereby if the output in the web browser okay can be viewed also in handheld devices. Okay, so what are the benefits of apps for content owners and creators? So what is the benefit? The benefit is actually very simple. Yang ni saya bagi opinion sajalah, tak sempat nak discuss dengan you all. Okay, feedback daripada you all. The main benefit is once the apps users getting bigger, or the amount is getting bigger, and penggunaan untuk application tu akan meningkat lah. So itu dia punya benefit dia. Okay, dan benda yang sama juga, mungkin awak akan reply benda yang sama, iaitu in terms of business advantage ataupun positive of the business outcome, dan dia juga memberi peluang kepada orang seperti awak lah untuk terlibat dalam proses development. Okay, will apps eventually make the web irrelevant? Okay, what do you think? Why or why not? So yang ni awak akan bagi feedback lah. Okay, kepada my opinion is for me web still relevant. Okay, even though the number of user is decreased. Okay, but it's still relevant. Okay, it's still relevant because people still, we have people using desktop PC, using a web browser instead. Okay, senang cerita macam ni lah macam saya cakap yang awal tadi. Okay, once you develop something, a web-based application, make it responsive design, so it can be open in other platform or other devices. Okay, dekat laptop boleh, dekat desktop boleh, dekat smartphone boleh, dan dekat tab pun juga boleh. Okay, especially the smartphone because right now people in average already have two account and two handheld devices, two smartphone in average. It doesn't mean every one of you have it. Okay, so saya nak move on to okay. This is e-commerce unique purchase. Okay, Ini nanti saya akan explain. Okay. So, yang pertama adalah ubiquitous. Okay, apa yang dimaksudkan dengan ubiquitous? Ini baru kita bincang tadi. Okay. Ubiquitous mean can be considered as a portable lah. Okay, portable. Maknanya kita tak terletak macam awak gunakan SMMP lah, for example. Okay, you can open it using your smartphone, using your tab, or even the primary use of a device is a web browser. Okay, so global reach, transaction cross cultural and national boundaries. So international transaction nowadays, when you want to do TT or wire transfer, TT stands for telegraphic transfer, there is no such a big deal. Like I think I already mentioned it in class before. Okay, when I want to send a few dollars from United States to Malaysia, it took about 2 weeks before this, 20 years ago, or maybe 15 years ago. But right now it took only 1 to 3 days. Once everything is approved and Malaysia will be controlled by maps. Okay, and then you have cash in hand in overseas. But it depend on the regulation, and also remember the SWIFT code and everything. That is considered as a global reach, where the transaction is made easy right now. Okay, universal standard. Okay, standard that are shared by all nations around the world. Okay, universal standard ni okay, what we have in Malaysia is actually the technology, the price wise, the regulation dan sebagainya sebenarnya reflecting daripada apa yang negara maju telah buat. Okay, kita bukan hanya meniru, kita bukan meniru sebenarnya. Kita memerlukan satu standard supaya kita boleh berkomunikasi dengan orang luar. So, ada tak ada, kita punya e-commerce kena comply dengan rules, kena comply dengan sorry ya, batuk-batuk lah pula. Okay, saya sambung lagi sikit Okay, sambung berkaitan dengan universal standard tu. Okay, ada tak ada kita perlu bukan kita perlu mengikuti ataupun kita perlu meniru apa yang telah digunakan di negara maju dan sebagainya ataupun di negara lain.